6, and 4. Since we're playing with the garbage can, Heathy, what are these letters? What are these letters right here? No, those are numbers, baby. What's this say? Nice job. 5, 6, 6, 5. Good boy, Heath. You're so smart, buddy. That says disposal. Ha ha. Bye.